Right, this is just a quick video to see if we can solve this problem, and this will be a problem that many of us come across. One of your window wipers will stop working, and the reason for that is the arm has popped off inside. So I've already loosened this. I'm going to take it off and let you see what the problem is, and I'm going to attempt to sort this problem with this solution, which is these little clips, and they're supposed to go under the arm and secure the ball and socket, and hence the wipers will start working again. So I've never done this before. Let's see how it goes. These wiper arms were particularly difficult to come off. They've been well corroded in. It's an old car, and I don't know when the last time they were off. So what I did is I used this, which is a puller. I use it for bikes, but it just about does it. There's not a great clearance, but what I found is if I put the nut slightly on here, leave it loose and just put it on a little bit, then put the puller in, so the puller will get directed down there, and turn it, and I got the crack, the necessary crack to know that it had come away. So I know you can get dedicated pullers for these, but if you do have one lying about similar to that, it'd probably do the job. They can sometimes be really difficult to get off, and I would recommend a puller rather than try to bash them with hammers and stuff. And once you get this loosened, there'll be a seal across here, rubber seal, which I've taken away, and this would, there might be other fixings depending on your model, that will come away. And in here we can immediately see what the problem is. This has come off, and it's supposed to be attached to this arm here, and it's very loose. Obviously the ball and socket has worn really badly, so it's just, when the motor comes on, it's just literally falling off, and the wiper blade's just floating around there. So let's try and see if we can get this clip on, and see if we get any success with it. So just using a flat blade screwdriver, I couldn't film it with one hand, it was kind of difficult there. Pushing it into the side and lifting this lip. Now the spring is pretty strong, so it did take a little bit of effort to get it there, but it's there. Now the theory should be, if I get the popper in there and then pull that forward, that should lock it. So let's try it and see if we can get it down. I don't think I can do it with one hand, but we'll try it anyway. Yeah, I'm going to have to use two hands and a screwdriver, I think. So just by pulling the clip back that direction and then pulling it forward, certainly seems a really good fit. So we can have a go with ignition and see how that looks. Yeah. Okay, we'll put it back together and see how it goes. On this car we've got two little fixings here to go on, and then the seal will go back in place here. So And there we have it, working perfectly well. I hope that's been useful to you. It was quite a simple and a cheap fix. These little clips, my understanding is that some of them are pretty poor quality. This one had good reviews on Amazon. I think it cost £6 for the pair of them, and it certainly seems sturdy enough, and it gets the car back on the road, so maybe something quite handy to keep in your toolbox. Okay, I hope that's been useful to you. Take care, catch you in the next one. Bye.